Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Google Chrome high memory RAM usage on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. I recommend to follow all of these steps. First step, you just need to update your Google Chrome. To do this, open up Chrome, click on the three dot icon and scroll down and select settings. On left side, you just need to scroll down and select about Chrome and it will automatically check for updates. After getting you are up to date, second step, you just need to select system on the left side. Make sure continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed is turned off. After that, you just need to search in here MEMORY memory saver. Make sure the memory saver is enabled and select the recommended one. After that, on left side, you just need to select extensions. You just need to disable or uninstall unused extensions. Fourth step, clear browsing data. To do this, you just need to click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side, select privacy and security. On right side, select delete browsing data. You just need to select the advanced tab and you just need to check mark cached images and files and cookies and other site data. After check marking both option, you just need to select the delete data option. And after that, fifth step, you just need to close unused tabs like this. Keep only essential tabs open. Sixth step, you just need to increase virtual memory. To do this, you just need to close this out of this Chrome and go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance, select settings. Select advanced tab. Under virtual memory, select change. Now you just need to uncheck the automatically manage pegging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the C drive and after that select a custom size. Now check my video description for this installer size and maximum size. Now you just need to find out how much RAM installed in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In my case, I have 16 GB RAM installed in your PC. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to copy and paste the value depends on where RAM. In my case, 16 GB RAM. So I'm copying this value. Copy and paste it in the installer size. And the same thing for maximum size. So copy and paste it. Depends on where RAM and paste it in maximum size. After that, select set option. Now value should be set under pegging file size. Select the OK option. Select apply and OK. Select OK. Select the restart now option and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, there is no more high memory RAM usage on Google Chrome. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.